Weight Loss Police Present, How to Lose Weight Faster, but Safely. Lose 5 pounds in 1 week. It's a trope we see everywhere, and if you're someone who needs to drop some weight for health reasons or simply want to for yourself, it can sound pretty enticing. Technically it's possible for some people to lose that much in that time period, but it's not something that's recommended, and it's definitely not a healthy approach. You might lose that much, which may be mostly water, on a low-carb or keto diet, but you'll likely gain it all back as soon as you decide it's time to eat carbs again. Plus, since weight loss, in general, is highly dependent on your metabolism and loads of other factors unique to you, including physical activity and body composition, that promise won't hold true for everyone. If you're still looking to lose weight, there are a few tips that hold true for almost all of us across the board, and they're concepts that we can put into practice beginning right now. In this video, we will identify 17 of those concepts. 1. Eat more vegetables, all of the time. It's that simple, I promise. If you think about making any meal mostly veggies, at least 50% of anything that you're having, you're on the right track to better health. 2. Build a better breakfast. All meals are important, but breakfast is what helps you start your day on the right track. The best, heartiest breakfasts are ones that will fill you up, keep you satisfied, and stave off cravings later in the day. Aim to eat anywhere between 400 and 500 calories for your morning meal, and make sure you're including a source of lean protein plus filling fat, like eggs, unsweetened Greek yogurt, nuts, or nut butter, and fiber, veggies, fruit, or 100% whole grains. Starting your day with a blood sugar stabilizing blend of nutrients will help you slim down. 3. Skip the snacks. Based on my experience in nutrition counseling, most of us tend to snack on foods that aren't nutrient-dense but are high in calories. Major culprits often come in the form of refined grains like cereals, chips, crackers, and cookies, but also calorie-packed drinks like juice and soda. 4. Eat mindfully. Slowing down to focus on things like the taste, textures, temperature, and smells of what you're eating can help you eat less. But mindful eating also means really focusing on what you're eating and when. This can help you identify unnecessary munching moments you may not realize you're engaging in throughout the day that may be tacking on extra calories. Try to avoid eating foods you don't choose for yourself. Think food pushers at work or your kids' leftovers. Noticing where your extra calories actually come from is another step to making better choices in the short and long term. 5. Drink more coffee. Start your day with a cup of joe. Caffeine is a natural diuretic, which can reduce bloating, and is an excellent source of antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage. You can have up to 400 milligrams of a venti Starbucks coffee daily, according to the dietary guidelines for Americans. Not much of a coffee drinker? Tea is also a natural diuretic, and types of herbal tea such as dandelion or fennel root can also lend a hand. In fact, when a recent study compared the metabolic effect of green tea, an extract, with that of a placebo, researchers found that the green tea drinkers burned about 70 additional calories in a 24-hour period. 6. Skip sugary beverages. We just don't feel full of liquid calories in quite the same way as we do real food. Drinking a juice or caramel coffee drink just isn't as satisfying as eating a bowl of veggie and protein-packed stir-fry. Skipping sugary beverages is often the easiest way to lose weight faster, and bonus, it's good for things like heart health and diabetes prevention too. So monitor your intake of juice, soda, sweetened coffee and tea, and alcoholic beverages. If you consume each of those beverages during the day, you'll have taken in at least 800 extra calories by nighttime and you'll still be hungry. Incidentally, alcohol may suppress the metabolism of fat, making it tougher for you to burn those calories. 7. Buy a set of 5-pound weights. Strength training builds lean muscle tissue, which burns more calories at work or at rest 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The more lean muscle you have, the faster you'll slim down. How do you start strength training? Try some push-ups or a few squats or lunges. Use your free weights to perform simple bicep curls or tricep extensions right in your home or office. Mix in some new ab, arm, back, and leg moves if you like. Strength training just 3 to 4 times per week can lead to rapid improvement in not only weight loss, but also a range of motion, stability, and posture. 8. Eat spicy foods seriously. It can actually help you cut back on calories. That's because capsaicin, a compound found in jalapeno and cayenne peppers, may slightly increase your body's release of stress hormones such as adrenaline, which can speed up your ability to burn calories. What's more, eating hot peppers may help you eat more slowly and avoid overeating. You're more likely to stay more mindful of when you're full. Some great choices besides hot peppers, ginger and turmeric. 9. Go to bed earlier. There's a ton of research that demonstrates getting less than the desired amount of about 7 hours of sleep per night can slow down your metabolism. Plus, when you're awake for longer, you're naturally more likely to snack on midnight munchies. So don't skimp on your sleep, and you'll be rewarded with an extra edge when it comes to losing weight. 10. Keep a food journal. People who log everything they eat, especially those who log while they're eating, are more likely to lose weight and keep it off for the long haul, studies consistently indicate. The habit also takes less than 15 minutes per day on average when you do it regularly, according to a 2019 study published in Obesity. Start tracking on an app like MyFitnessPal or use a regular notebook. It'll help you stay accountable for what you've eaten. Plus, you can easily identify areas that could use a little improvement when it's written out in front of you. 11. Take a walk. Exercising at any time is good for you, but evening activity may be particularly beneficial because many people's metabolism slows down toward the end of the day. 30 minutes of aerobic activity before dinner increases your metabolic rate and may keep it elevated for another 2 or 3 hours, even after you've stopped moving. Plus, it'll help you relax post-meal so you won't be tempted by stress-induced grazing that can rack up calories. 12. Resist the urge to skip a meal. Skipping meals will not make you lose weight faster. If a hectic day makes a sit-down meal impossible, stash a piece of fruit and pack of nut butter in your car or purse and keep snacks in your desk drawer, anything that will keep you from going hungry. Going long periods of time without food does double-duty harm on our healthy eating efforts by both slowing down your metabolism and priming you for a binge later in the day. Think, you've skipped breakfast and lunch, so you're ready to take down a whole turkey by dinner. Make it your mission to eat 3 meals and 2 snacks every day, and don't wait longer than 3 to 4 hours without eating. Set a snack alarm on your phone if needed. 13. Eat your H2O. Sure, drinking plenty of water can help combat bloating, but you can, and should, also consume high water content foods. Reach for cucumbers, tomatoes, watermelon, asparagus, grapes, celery, artichokes, pineapple, and cranberries, all of which contain diuretic properties that will also help you stay full due to their higher fiber content. 14. Munch on mineral-rich foods. Potassium, magnesium, and calcium can help to serve as a counterbalance for bloat-inducing sodium. Foods that are rich in potassium include leafy greens, most orange foods, oranges, sweet potatoes, carrots, melon, bananas, tomatoes, and cruciferous veggies, especially cauliflower. Low-fat dairy, plus nuts and seeds can also help give you a bloat-busting boost. They've also been linked to a whole host of additional health benefits, such as lowering blood pressure, controlling blood sugar, and reducing the risk of chronic disease overall. 15. Ignore the gimmicks. At any given time, there are dozens of weight loss hypes in the marketplace that claim to take off 10 pounds in 10 days or more. Desperation can tempt us to try anything from clean eating to cutting out food groups entirely. Keep in mind, just because an avocado kale salad dripping in coconut oil is deemed clean by a so-called expert on your Instagram feed does not make it an unlimited food. Moral of the story? Avoid fads, eat real food, watch some Netflix, and unwind, perhaps with a glass of wine in hand. Now that's my kind of detox. 16. Let yourself off the hook. Many of us can't resist the urge to kick ourselves when we eat too much or enjoy something we tell ourselves we shouldn't be. The problem, this only makes it more difficult, stressful, and downright impossible to lose weight. When it comes to healthful eating, moderation is the key to fueling your body with nutritious foods and maintaining a healthy weight for the long haul. So rather than beating yourself up for eating foods you think you shouldn't, let it go. Treating yourself to about 200 calories worth of deliciousness each day, something that feels indulgent to you, can help you stay on track for the long haul, so allow yourself to eat, breathe, and indulge. Food should be joyful, not agonizing. 17. Look for our emblem on food labels. Ultimately, long-term weight loss requires some short-term behavior change and healthier habit formation. That's why we created our Good Housekeeping Nutritionist Approved Emblem, which exists to help turn smart food choices into healthier eating habits. All GHNA foods and drinks make it easier to find and eat good-for-you foods without additional time, effort and cost. We target the lifestyle-related factors that make healthier eating hard, and find simple but creative solutions that actually work. Look for the emblem on labels wherever you shop for food. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.